Hello, I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creators. Now's content for Class 10, CBSE, ICSE and other boards. Chapter is Reproductive System and topic is Asexual Reproduction. Today I will discuss about the different types of asexual reproduction. First type is binary fission. It is seen in unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, etc. Description. The process of asexual reproduction in which an unicellular organism divides into two daughter cells and each one grows into adult organism is termed as binary fission. Steps. The nucleus of the parent cell divides into two. A constriction appears in the cell membrane. Constriction increases and cytoplasm divides into two parts and two daughter organisms are formed. Next, binary fission is called an asexual method of reproduction because during binary fission, a diploid cell division into two identical diploid daughter cells without any need of special germ cells. The process does not involve production of haploid gamete and their fusion. Next type is multiple fission, which is seen in Plasmodium. Steps. The nucleus divides into many daughter nuclei. The nuclei arrange along the periphery of the parent cell. An outer membrane develops around each nucleus with some cytoplasm. The multinucleated cell divides and daughter organisms are formed. Next type is budding, which is seen in the Hydra yeast. This process of asexual reproduction in which a small part of the body of the parent organism grows out as a bud and separates after developing into an organism is termed as budding. Steps. A bulging bud on the body appears due to repeated mitotic division. The bud enlarges and develops. The developed bud separates from the body and develops into daughter organism. Next type is spore formation, which is seen in Rhizopus, Mucor, and Penicillium. The process of asexual reproduction in which the parent organism produces a large number of spores that can produce new plants is called spore formation. Spore formation is the most common method of asexual reproduction in fungi and bacteria. Steps of the spore formation. Sporangium develops at the top of vertical hypha. The nucleus divides inside the sporangium. Each nucleus with a bit of cytoplasm develops into spore. The sporangium breaks and spores like liberated. The spores develop into new hypha under suitable conditions. Next type is regeneration, which is seen in Spirogyra, Hydra, Planaria, and sponges. The method of asexual reproduction in which a mature organism develops from detached body part of the parent organism is called regeneration. Steps. The mature organism breaks into two or more pieces. Each pieces grow into a new individual. Next, vegetative propagation in guava, bryophyllum, onion, banana, garlic water, etc. The method of asexual reproduction in which new plants are obtained from stem, root or leaf of old plants is termed as vegetative propagation. Advantages of the vegetative propagation. Plants which produce very few seeds can be grown by vegetative propagation. Very young plants can be made to flower by grafting them on mature plants. Requirement of single parent reduce dependence and increase chances of survival. Characteristics of plants are preserved and can be replicated. Next topic is different methods used to develop plant which can bear fruit and flowers by vegetative propagation are as follows. First is stem cutting. This involves cutting a part of stem and planting it in the soil to allow the growth of roots and buds into the shoots. Example, sugarcane, pear, China rose, etc. Next is grafting. In grafting, the stem or bud of two best quality plant is combined to form a new plant. Example, guava, apple, mango, etc. Next is layering. In this, the lower branch of a plant is bent and covered with a soil. Once new roots start developing on the branch, it is cut from the parent plant and allowed to grow as an individual plant. Example, rose, jasmine, etc. Now the topic has ended. For all video of class 10, please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account, this account Madhurima Datta. Thank you everyone.